Agents, let me remind you of something powerful. It's not the big, flashy moves that build your real estate career. It's the small, consistent actions you take every single day. Making the calls, following up with leads, showing up to trainings, and staying visible in your market. Those are the habits that separate top producers from the ones still struggling. Consistency is the secret sauce. Even when you don't see results right away, every touch, every conversation, every effort is planting seeds that will grow into closings down the road. So don't get discouraged if today feels slow. Stay consistent, keep moving, and trust the process. The agents who win are the ones who keep showing up long after others quit. Your future closings are counting on the work you put in today. So keep going, because your breakthrough is closer than you think.